Hello, good morning everyone. Today we will see some basic things of unit cell. First point is there, crystal lattice. Okay. Regular arrangement of atoms, molecules and ions in three-dimensional structure. It is known as a crystal lattice. ओके बहुत सिंपल सी चीज है बच्चों. आयंस को एटम्स को जहां अरेंज किया गया है रेगुलर मैनर में, दैट इज नोन एज अ क्रिस्टल लैटिस. ओके. सेकंड थिंग इज देयर, वन फिक्स प्लेस इज देयर फॉर द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ पार्टिकल्स, दैट इज नोन एज अ लैटिस साइट. ओके. सेकंड पॉइंट इज देयर, lattice site or point. What is that? Point or site that represent to the fixed place of atom, molecules, ions, and instead of that we can also say constant particles. They are having a fixed position. That is known as a lattice site or point. Position occupied by particles in crystal lattice known as lattice site or point. Okay, I am showing my diagram. You see this diagram. It's a unit cell. In this, they are having a fixed place. These particles have, these ions have fixed place, so that is known as a lattice site. Okay, clear? And in place of that, you can also see that, suppose so by this diagram you can understand both the words crystal lattice and lattice site or point. Now come to the point, what is the unit cell? The regular repetition of the crystal lattice, that is known as a unit cell. One unit cell I made here. If you will make so many unit cell will be there. Okay. In front of A site, that angle will be there between B and C, that is represented by the alpha, and in front of B between A and C, this angle represented to the beta, and in front of the C between A and B, that represented by the gamma. So these three sides are there, A, B and C, and along with that three angles are there in a three-dimensional structure that is represented by alpha, beta as well as gamma. Okay. Now we will see that types of unit cell. Children, there are two main important types of the unit cell. First number, that is known as now see the types of unit cell. There are two types of unit cell. First number, that is known as primitive unit cell. Second number is known as non-primitive. Or centered cubic cell. Okay, clear? So what are the primitive unit cell? Primitive unit cell are those unit cell in which particles are arranged only at the corner, that is known as primitive unit cell. It represents the primitive unit cell. Okay, see once again. There are two types of the unit cell. First number, that is known as a primitive unit cell. What are the primitive unit cell? A unit cell which have a particles arrangement only at the corners, not inside the body, only corner. Okay, I am giving a stress to this word. It means arrangements of particles are present only at the corner. Such type of unit cells are known as a primitive unit cell. The other categories also there, non-primitive unit cell or centered cubic unit cell. Okay, inside that the particles are also present at the corner as well as inside the body or on faces or in the ending portion, that is known as a non-primitive unit cell. See once again, non-primitive unit cell are those cells in which particles are arranged at the corner as well as inside the body or on the faces, that is known as a non-primitive unit cell. Okay, they are divided in a different category. First category, that is known as a okay, there are different kinds of the non-primitive unit cells. There are three main types of non-primitive unit cell. First number, body-centered unit cell. Okay. Second number, face-centered unit cell. Third number, end-centered. So children, primitive unit cell only itself one category is there, in that arrangement of particles are present only on corners, that is known as a primitive unit cell. Okay, but in non-primitive unit cell it is divided in a three categories. First number, that is known as a body centered, second is known as a face centered, and third is known as the end-centered cubic cell. Okay, in a short form, it is known as a BCC, FCC, and ECC. So children, all you have to remember what is the types of the non-primitive cell. Once again, I am repeating: body center, that known as BCC, second one is a FCC, and third is known as the end center. Okay, clear? Now children, you will see that types of crystal system. There are 7 types of crystal system. Now in a sequence you have to write number 1 cubic, number 2 tetragonal, number 3 orthorhombic, number 4 monoclinic, number 5 hexagonal, number 6 rhombohedral, and number 7 triclinic. Out of these 7 types, only first type in syllabus, that is a cubic crystal system. Detail we will see of cubic crystal system. Once again I am repeating, there are 7 types of crystal system. Number 1 cubic, second is tetragonal, third is orthorhombic, fourth is monoclinic, fifth is hexagonal, sixth is rhombohedral, and last 7th is triclinic. Out of these 7, you have to study in a 12th class only cubic unit cell. Okay? So we will see the number of particles present in a cubic unit cell, what is their number, so we can utilize their value in a numericals also. Okay? Now children, we will see that types of unit cell and calculation of number of atoms in unit cell. For that we will make 3 columns. First column will be types of unit cell. Calculation of number of atoms in unit cell, total number of atoms in per unit cell. Okay, these 3 columns we have to make. Now first category, that is a simple cubic. सिंपल क्यूबिक सेल। बच्चों सिंपल क्यूबिक सेल जो प्रिमिटिव सेल को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, उसमें केवल कॉर्नर पर ही एटम्स होते हैं। और आपको मालूम है कि अगर एक इसमें आप देखते हैं यहाँ पर बच्चों यदि आप देखेंगे एक स्फीयर था, इसका केवल 1/8 पार्ट यूनिट सेल के अंदर है। इस तरीके से कितने हैं कॉर्नर्स? 8 कॉर्नर्स बच्चों हैं। 8 into 1/8. So number of atom in per unit cell will be 1. Okay. Now second number, that is known as a body centered cubic cell. In a body center, same thing is there. Okay, one is present inside the body. It was for the at corner. First on corner, same thing is there. Inside the body, one is there. Total number is 2. Okay, number of atoms in a BCC, in a short form, BCC. Okay, yes children, very easy chapter. And third number, face centered cubic cell, the short form FCC. Now see here, what will be there? Corners plus face. How many faces are there? 6 faces are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, upside, downside. अब बच्चों देखो, एक चीज बहुत अच्छे से समझिएगा आप लोग. यहाँ पर जो बॉडी में है, इसका आप जो है एटम को जो है रखेंगे तो उसका हाफ पार्ट इनसाइड होता है और हाफ पार्ट जो है आउटसाइड होता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई इन अ कैलकुलेशन फॉर द फेसेस वी हैव टू टेक 1/2. ओके, मान लीजिए इसके अंदर में कोई चीज घुसाती हो तो आधा पार्ट तो बाहर रहेगा और आधा पार्ट बाहर अंदर रहेगा. इसलिए हम कितना ले रहे हैं यहाँ पर? 1/2. फॉर कॉर्नर्स 1/8 into 8 equal to 1. Faces, how many faces? 6. 6 into 1/2 equal to 3. So number of atom in a FCC, in a face centered cell, will be how many? 4 will be there. All they represent the value of Z. Okay children, so you have to remember all these things.